Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new kid on the block, the 2025 Kia K4. This sedan is shaking things up in the compact segment, and we're here to see why. First up, let's talk looks. The K4 ditches the boxy design of its predecessor, the Forte, for a sleek and sporty aesthetic. It's got that fastback roofline inspired by the Stinger, wide rear fenders, and a cool tiger nose grille that's become a Kia signature. This thing definitely looks more expensive than its price tag suggests. Hop inside, and you're greeted by a surprisingly spacious cabin. Kia boasts class-leading rear legroom, making it a great choice for families or carpool duty. The materials feel good with a nice mix of soft touch surfaces and upscale accents. The centerpiece is this awesome dual-screen setup, combining your instrument cluster with the infotainment system. It looks super modern and gives you tons of real estate for all your tech needs. Now, let's talk performance. The K4 comes in two flavors. A base model with a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that delivers a solid 147 horsepower, perfect for everyday cruising. But if you crave a little more excitement, there's the GT Line Turbo. This sporty trim packs a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine with a whopping 190 horsepower. Plus, it gets a unique multi-link rear suspension for sharper handling. The official pricing hasn't been announced yet, but we expect the K4 to start around $22,000 for the base model and climb to around $30,000 for the fully loaded GT Line Turbo. It's scheduled to hit dealerships sometime later this year, so keep your eyes peeled. So what do you think of the 2025 Kia K4? It looks like a strong contender in the compact sedan segment, offering style, space, performance, and tech at a competitive price. If you're in the market for a new car, definitely add the K4 to your test drive list. Let me know in the comments below what features you're most excited about in the K4. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them down there too. Thumbs up, subscribe for more, and as always, happy motoring!